that's how it's done, baby. Wow, that's how you blow up a checker tire on the farm. That's what's up.
But it's just so.
Woo!